How you doing? This is a simple how-to video on how to set up your broadcasting with YouTube. First thing you do is go to obsproject.com/download. Here you have three options to download. You have Windows, Apple, and Linux. Obviously you use Windows. Click download installer. Here in the bottom left you see it's downloading OBS Studio. When it's finished, click it. Click yes, and then to set up, click next, and pick your destination installations. Obviously I already installed this, so then open up your OBS Studio. Here is your recording software. It's pretty easy to use, but the setup is pretty daunting. So here you have the sources. So here you have plus, minus, setting, up, down. What you do to set up your devices is click add video captures so you can use your camera. Click OK. There you go. You see the handsome guy? That's me. Click OK. You can drag this to any corner of the screen. And I guess you guys want to record desktop, so you click plus, go to display capture, click OK. The most important thing here is the capture cursor. I guess unclick that, because you don't want a cursor to be flying around on the your YouTube video. Click OK. So here you have two devices. Also, if you want audio, you will go to audio output capture and audio input. So if you're using a mic, I would say audio input capture is already set up as mic auxiliary, so you don't need to click new. So click existing, click OK. So right here you have desktop audio, and right here mic auxiliary is off. Make sure it's on. You see that when I'm talking it's recording. Video capture is 100%. So now what we need to do is we need to link this OBS system to YouTube. So now log into your YouTube account. Here you have the create video or post. Click that. Here upload video or go live. I will click go live. Click stream. Here you would have new stream. Give it a title. Rush graduation testing 5. Here I will make it public. Description will be testing 5. Category I will pick education. If you want to schedule for later time, I would check that and pick a time and date, but I'm doing it right now, so I'll leave that alone. And of course the audience I'm trying to target is it can make for young kids, so that they know there's no profanity. Click create stream. So here you have the YouTube stream trying to connect with the encoder. So here you have a pop-up how to set it up. We already have the software, so what we're doing is copy the stream key, then go back to your OBS, go to setting. Here you have 7 tab. General, I wouldn't mess with that. You go to stream. We're using YouTube, so you see YouTube is already selected. Do not change the server. Just paste the stream key here. Click apply. Next I will go to output. Click on advanced mode. Click on streaming. We choose the encoder X264. It's pretty compatible. The other one you have NVIDIA is for graphic card, etc. You guys don't have that on laptop. Rescale output, leave it alone. The rate control I would use is the CBR, most common. The bit rate, the lowest you have is 2500. For best graphic, I will put 30K. But right now, let's do 25 and test it out. If your CPU can handle more bandwidth, then change the bit rate close to the 30K. Buffer size, leave it alone. Interval, I will leave it at 2. I put ultra fast, but you guys can see if your CPU can take it, make it super fast, ultra fast. Let's do super fast. Profile is on main, but select high, so your CPU would process the OBS Studio system before background programs. Next, go to recording. Here you have standards. You can change where you want them to record your videos. As for the audios, make sure you change to 320. So it gives you a crisp audio sound. Then here's your audio. I don't think you need to change any of this. Everything is default. And video, I will put 60 FPS. Here you have 16 sample as a default scale. Leave it as that. If you have fast computer, I will change 36 with the monster graphic card, but just leave it 16 sample. Click apply. Click OK. So now what you do is click start streaming so it can connect to YouTube. See, start 60 fpsi, start talking to YouTube. Go back to your YouTube channel, click done. So here you see excellent connection, which is reading your stream key, so it's connecting. Alright, it's connected. So here click go live. You are live. You can unmute yourself. So here you have your streaming window. You can edit the setting. If you wish to end stream, click this. But if you want to share your streams, you click this, and here is the channel or the video clips of where your stream would be saved to, and view, copy. The link, copy a clipboard. So let's see, you can paste that.
But if you want to share your streams, you click this, and here is the channel or the video clips of where your stream would be saved to, and view, copy,
and stream.
See, link, copy a clipboard.
You have edit, etc. You don't want to, just dismiss it.
Paste that. But if you want to
go back to your OBS Studio, stop streaming. And second thing is, the most important thing is if your display video capture does not register when you open up your OBS Studio, is being used by another program or app. What you do is go down to Start, Setting, go down here, you see Privacy, Location, Camera, and Microphone. Click that and go down to Camera and make sure you turn the camera access for this device on and apply app to access your camera on. Is there any app you don't want to use? Just mark off by here. I'll put that on also. Here you can see that OBS Studio is currently in use. Alright, good luck.